the BDA solutions for December 2024 exams in Darasa application. So once you have created your account, all you'll be required to do is to sign in. By signing in, of course, you put your credentials. 851. You can either do your number or you can do your email. So these are applicable. To switch to email, to switch to your number. So you put your number 708068851. Of course, you'll have your password at that point. Then you sign in. So once you've been able to sign in, it is very easy to maneuver. You can search CPA at that point, or simply just come to CPA, then go to Start Learning. On Start Learning, we have coursework revisions and live virtual recorded. So just be required to click revisions. So once you click revisions, of course, you'll find that the BDA part will appear. That is on clicking revisions. Currently, of course, there's an offer price of 800. This will enable you to access the business data analytics solution. So what you need to do, you just come and click at that point. You insert your number at that point. It's very easy. So once you've inserted your number, of course, you'll come and click complete payment. So once you've clicked complete payment, you'll find that all you'll be required to do now is to simply just reload. It is automated. You'll be given access. Access is literally automated. So all you do is just to reload. And there you go. You're good to go. So we have three sections: Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. Section 2, practical, and of course compulsory. So maybe I want to access it like financial management. All you need to do is just to click financial management at that point. We have the Excel workbook in relation to the same. So you can just click the notes to get the Excel workbook that we've done on that video, which of course you can literally access at any given point in time. So there you go. You can go back, of course, to the videos, which you can check the videos in that case, and you can follow the class.
Hello, learners. Welcome back to our segment today. This is a continuation of what you're doing earlier.
So that's how you can access. The same case will apply with management accounting, whereby you get the video, you get the notes. That is, the notes is simply the Excel workbook. The same case with taxation and all the rest. So that's the procedure on how you can get access to the videos for solution videos for BDA 2024 December exams. To that point, thank you so much. Just interact with it. In the event of anything, you can always reach us out. And by the way, you can as well install this application on your PC. So how do you go about installation? You see the mouse or the desktop icon. Mine, because it is already installed, you see yours indicating the download icon. So if at all you're using Windows or if at all you're using Mac, you can go to your desktop, and in this case, here you go. You have the app, which literally at this point you can just access it even without going through your browser. That's how easy we've made your task to be. To that point, thank you so much. In the event of anything, you can always reach us out. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.